Meaning of germicide.
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 Germicide. Germicide refers to any substance or agent that is capable of killing harmful microorganisms, such as bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Germicides are commonly used in medicine, agriculture, and public health to prevent the spread of infectious diseases. They can be classified into different types based on their mechanism of action, such as physical and chemical germicides. Physical germicides include ultraviolet radiation and heat, while chemical germicides include disinfectants and antiseptics. The use of germicides has greatly contributed to the control and prevention of various infections, which has led to significant improvements in public health outcomes worldwide.